Hello guys, welcome to Chef Stylish Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this tasty sausage roll. If it's something you want to learn, keep watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more homemade recipes. So for the sausage roll you will need your hot dogs, using your butter, chicken breast, milk, baking powder, sugar, nutmeg. You need a bowl to mix it, your flour and eggs. So just keep watching as I mix everything up. So I'll be using this food processor to mix our filling for this sausage roll. We'll be adding our hot dogs to it. I steamed this chicken breast for a few minutes and I'm going to add this. We'll add some spices to it to give it that good taste. I'm going with 3 eggs. I'm going to go in with onion powder. We will need half a teaspoon of this. I'm going with paprika. I need half a teaspoon of that. And here my black pepper, you can put 1 teaspoon of this. That's to do the well. I'll put it in half. So in an empty bowl, we want to add our flour. Just going to add teaspoon of nutmeg. I'll be adding my baking powder to this, 1.5 teaspoon, 4 tablespoons of sugar. If you don't want sugar, you can skip adding sugar. Your sausage roll will still taste perfectly okay. You can use just half teaspoon of salt instead. And we have 3 tablespoons of milk. Once sieving it, you just want to give this a good stir. So I'm just going to mix. You know you've done a perfect job. It can be very messy. Yeah, it can be so messy. It takes a little time, just pull through. You can do this part, you've done the major work. It's good you start with a small quantity. You can go in with half of all the measurements of this particular recipe. I actually want to make this for my family and I want to have some that I can keep so we can eat snack for any other time. So that is why I'm going with a large quantity. But if it's something you're eating for just one time, half of this will give you about 8 sausage rolls. So it depends on the quantity of people you are to give this to, or depending on the number you're trying to achieve. So if you make this using this recipe, you should have up to 18 pieces of sausage roll. So I went with 1 cup of water. I added 1 cup of water to this, and this is what we have. Daniel, can you people stop that? I'm not done. I'll be the one to call you. Keep spoiling my video. So after mixing this, we're going to wrap it with a plastic wrap and put it in your fridge. So we want to start working on our dough. I brought it out from the fridge and here it is. I want to start working on it. We're going to be kneading it on this chopping board. Please let's use this. And this is the filling separate this into batches. So we're just going to be working with share this into 4 batches. Sprinkle your dough again. Careful. So chop up again. Get the rectangle shape. And I'll put my egg wash bowl. Sound from my oven. It's telling me that it's ready. I'm coming, oven. Be with you shortly. Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the street. It's all about rolling. So it's sticking because my dough was a bit too wet. So we cut it again. You're just going to brush your sausage roll with your egg wash. Just brush it. You want that shiny look on your sausage, so just make sure you spray. Don't miss this part. Don't miss this part if you want it shiny and glossy. Glossy look. You can go over again. Guys, what do you think about the sausage roll already? Are you going to try it at home? If you be trying this out, let me know in the comment section. This one is so funny. I always have something like this. So I'll be moving this to my oven. My oven is ready. Make sure you set your oven at 350. I'm going to put a timer. We'll be baking this for 40 minutes. I want to check my sausage roll. I want to see how far. It's 40 minutes already. And guys, you can see this. Woo! So this is what it looks like right inside it. You can see, guys. Can't wait. Yummy. You need to try this. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, click the subscription button, like this video for more homemade recipes. Bye.